Hello everyone, today we're recycling Nespresso capsules. Please make sure you have an adult helping you. I hope you like this idea and you try it at home.
We're putting it into our plants, okay? But you have to put in just the ones that are like the blueberry plant.
Where's the blueberry?
This one's the blueberry.
Oh, this one.
Here's another fun activity that you can do with your children these days. We planted strawberries, so we're recycling our Nespresso cups. And what I'm basically doing here is cutting knife and removing the aluminum cover, and my little helper here, with the help of a spoon, he's taking the coffee off. And what we will do, maybe, I think this could make a very nice seed. I mean, we can maybe plant some seeds inside because it's kind of cold right now outside. So maybe we can plant some more strawberries or cherry tomatoes that we eat. So yeah, maybe we can grow those at home. Are you having fun? Yes? Can you explain what you're doing?
Quitar esto.
You're removing the coffee from the coffee capsule. You like it? It's very yummy. It's good?
A ver.
We're gonna rinse it.
That is coffee.
Yeah, that's coffee. Yeah. You can put it right there. Mark,
Why
here.
Why the
This one
plants
likes the
like
coffee.
coffee?
Not all of the plants. I don't think that one likes coffee. No. Raspberry likes coffee, blueberries, strawberries.
I'm going to put
Good job. You're doing great. Okay.
ahora sí.
Another raspberry. I don't know what happened. Oh, yes. I thought that one was gonna be dead, but look. It's growing. Can you see it?
A baby.
It's having a baby leaf. You see it?
Mommy.
Thank you. Yeah, she's gonna really enjoy the coffee. Can you see that? Eh? You see? It's growing. It has a baby here.
The first one,
I think this one is also growing right here. You have to be careful because this is
pinchosito.
pinchosito. Yeah, but look.
If it's a tiny plant, it means pinch. No,
I don't know if you can see this. It's growing. Okay, thank you. I love these little helpers that I have. Wow. We are addicting, aren't we? Yeah, let us know if you try it. And if you like this video, we have more content, things you can do with kids at home. So this next week is going to be specifically at home. So fun things that you can do with your kids at home. If you want to watch more, please subscribe and like this video. And thank you for watching. Bye.